Hey guys, this is a fun way to introduce the help board to your students. It is called Can You Unlock the Help Board? And it is not too late to do this. So let's get started. So there are 4 levels to unlocking the help board, and you can make this your own. I'll upload this to our Laddie SharePoint folder, and you can change anything you want to make it work for you in your class. So here's level 1. And the class challenge is learn the rules of the help board to unlock the next level. So here's the rules I have in my kindergarten classroom. If you're waiting for help, that means you scan the QR code, you asked an expert, you asked a homie in your home group, and if you're waiting, you are doing something different on the activity list. No one is ever just sitting around staring at the walls. So those are my rules, and of course you can make your rules whatever you want. When you feel like the class understands the rules, you can move on to the next level, which is level 2. And level 2 is a challenge about making sure your help board is numbered so that your teacher can see the order of who needs help. Can you write your name nicely in the correct spot this week? Don't give up. Level 3 awaits you. So in my kindergarten classroom, I would probably spend a week making sure that they understand the number order I have. So I have 6 spots on my help board, and I want to make sure like no one's erasing names or cutting in front of someone or putting their name not on a number. But you can make it work for however you want for your room. And when they master that challenge, they go on to level 3. And level 3 is all about, can you color code the help board? What does each color mean? And decide as a class to unlock the next level. So for my class, I keep it simple. And blue, if they use a blue marker, it means that they need feedback. And if they use a red marker, it means that they need help right away. They can't move on without me. And of course, you can do your own color coding for your classroom. Once they master that challenge, they go to level 4. And I actually have not done this yet, so I'm going to try it this year and see how it goes in a kindergarten room. But it says, are you ready for an extra challenge? Can you write a code next to your name so your teacher or a peer expert knows how to help you quickly? With your teacher, come up with a coding system that goes on your activity list and then onto the help board. Master this and you have unlocked the help board. So what I mean by that is here's my activity list and I have all the activities numbered. So if Danny needs help with this activity, they would put a number 3 by their name. And if Joel, let's say he is using a blue marker and he needs feedback on this activity, activity number 8. So that helps me understand right away who needs help with what, or if I see a bunch of 3s on the board, I can instantly know, ooh, I need to pull a small group on this activity. And it also helps when you have your peer experts, they know to look for what number. So let's say I have Sally is an expert at activity number 3. Every time she sees a number 3 on the board, she knows that she can help that person. And that gives me time to pull my small groups and facilitate. And your prize for getting to level 4 is whatever you want. I chose a dance party because it's free and fun. So you can make this your own. I will put it on SharePoint and I hope your class loves it. Thank you.